How to change your shipping address in AliExpress. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your shipping address. Hey, the first thing you're going to have to do is open up AliExpress application and make sure that you're logged in. And once logged in, you can find the account icon at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it. Once you get to the account, you can head over to settings, try to find the shipping address here. Or if you don't see it, just go ahead and tap on profile. It will show you your profile and show you your country and region. But if you don't see the shipping address option there, you can tap on the profile name at the top left corner of your screen. Then it will get to your profile settings and it will show you my address. So just tap on manage and then you can add a new address or edit the existing one. So if you want to edit the existing one, tap on edit button and change the address from here. Or if you want to add a new one, then in that case, you're going to have to tap on add new address. Select your country or region, then your first name, last name, your mobile number, and you can enter your address manually. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.